It's day 3 of DIYing my powder room while my husband's away, and today I started out by wet sanding and then applying another layer of drywall mud where I patched the drywall. While that dried, I had to get started getting some paint on these walls, so I did all of the edging in the corners and the seams, including the ceiling, because yes, we are painting it and I am so excited to see how it looks. Having the whole room be very dark and like moody, I'm hoping it will counterintuitively make the room feel bigger because it's quite small, but we'll see. Either way, it made painting so much quicker and so much easier having to not be too specific. I'm not great at coloring within the lines. And the fan vent that's up there, it's like a ugly beige. It has always stuck out, so I wanted to be able to paint that, so I took that down, which is actually much easier than I thought it would be. Then I was looking at our plumbing that we have for the current faucet, and I don't know what this is called, but I know that it's old and we need to switch it out for something like this because we did that in our kitchen. Well, a plumber did, but we're DIYing this. So I went to Home Depot and told the guy to just like hold it how I'm supposed to do it, and so hopefully I don't fuck it up, we'll see. Pray for me. And then I ended the day by painting the vent, and make sure you follow along for the next day's progress.